Right guys, just a very quick review video of Affiliate Takeoff by Cynthia Benitez and John Newman. Now, this is a sales page. A 69-year-old non-techie mum makes her first ever commissions under 24 hours. Now, I wasn't going to promote this product for the simple reason yes, it's a good angle. 69-year-old mum makes some sales, but there's only 3 sales. You know, you can't. That doesn't prove a system works in my book just because you made 3 sales. I can tell you though, the ad spend was less than $20 to make these 3 sales. Now, I've been speaking to Cynthia, and she's actually using this method to sell high ticket offers. Now, her mum's made these commissions, okay, but she's actually selling high ticket offers with this thing, but she hasn't put it on the sales page. And I know she's not lying because I've had it verified that she's actually doing that, but I don't know why she didn't put it on the sales page, or whether she's not a product launcher, you see, not a serial product launcher by any means. And so I think she's took a bit of bad advice, although that's a really good angle. It kind of like put me off from selling it. The training is fine. Let me just go into the training. Like I say, this is in the members area. So you got the 2 case studies. This is showing Cynthia's mum's results. Okay. Now the actual method is using YouTube ads. Now this does not involve you being on camera. It doesn't involve you actually having to create your own videos, and that's the beauty of Cynthia's system. You do not create any videos, and she shows you step by step exactly how to set up your campaigns, exactly how to pick the offers, and exactly what videos to use in your ads. So it's all step by step. Okay, so you've got creating the account, which is pretty basic if you've already got one, selecting the product, the landers, the video to use, the conversion booster, and then the takeoff, that is obviously launching your product, launching your ad campaign. So this is something that I'm going to be testing myself. YouTube ads is something I keep going back to, and I've never made it work. Cynthia's selling high ticket programs with this method, and I know who she's selling them for as well, and I know they're doing very, very well out of it. In fact, Cynthia said out of her, she's spent about 4,000. I think she said pounds. Okay, she's in the UK. She made. I think she said she made nearly 15,000 or something. Or was it 11? I can't remember. But it's a lot. It was a lot bigger return than her actual ad spend, which is which her mum got. Okay, it might be 2 sales, but spending $20 to get $110 back is pretty good. So yeah, there are some upsells. The first upsell is some advanced strategies to use this with this method. That's probably the out of all the upsells, that's probably one I'd go for more, and it's actually one of the cheapest upsells. The upsell 3, that is done for you. Cynthia actually set up a campaign for you. Upsell 4, that's a pixel that you can have on the sales page for their next launches. That's so you can retarget all the buyers, etc. So you'll need a Facebook account to be able to take advantage of that. And the final upsell is you can have license rights to resell this as your own product. I highly recommend the first upsell. The third upsell, if you want somebody to do it for you, yeah, go for that one. So grab Affiliate Takeoff now while it's still cheap. take advantage. Make sure you take action. It's no good letting it sit on your hard drive. And if you get stuck with anything, reach out to Cynthia. She's really good with this. As I said, this is something YouTube ads is something I keep going back to. But Cynthia's got this rocking, and so she's the best person to get advice of. All right, so and she's very she's not one of these vendors that will ignores their customers. She will actually help you. All right, so take action, guys, and enjoy your training.